Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trade analysis video for the day. So today we have traded on HDFC Bank and it was a short sell trade for the day. So I'll be telling you where it took the entry, where it took the exit and what time I have traded and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this trade for the day. And as you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators for the day. And before I tell you more information, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I have uploaded a lot of educational videos and daily live trading analysis video from last 5 to 7 years plus, and subscribe to my channel to get the daily updates. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, and if you're a beginner or if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also the course prices are very reasonably priced. And once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. So we have trained a lot of people and they are making consistent profit and in a safer way. Okay, so you can check out all the feedback and earning proof in my channel and also in my blog spot. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit from today, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so now let's talk about the pre-open market, how it opened today. So the market opening was a bit flat for the day. It was just at 0.07% down. So advanced stocks were 21 and declarations were 22. And we have selected HDFC Bank to trade for the day. Okay, so somewhere around 11 o'clock is where I have taken a trade for the day. So somewhere around 1625 I short sold. Okay, so after that you can see how the stock has performed here. So the stock has been bearish for the day and the lowest point what it has touched is almost around 1617 for the day. So I kept my target up to 8 points somewhere over here and the target was achieved. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done for the day and this was how the stock has performed for the day. And also if you quickly see Nifty 50, there was no much momentum for the day. Okay, so you can see how the Nifty 50 was almost in range bound kind of a momentum for the day. So here is where the Nifty opened. Okay, so from here you can see the market just went up by a little bit and then you can see it has hit the resistance point, and from there the market has come down and it has been whole in the full of an range bound section for a whole day. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 performed for the day. So by looking at this momentum, I came to know that there was no much momentum in stock for the day. So that's the reason why I took the early exit and I booked my profit. So if you guys want to learn all these techniques of stock selection, how to make a perfect entry like this and want to learn from me personally, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me, and I shall guide you all these things more in detail about how you can make right stock selection, how you can make right entries like this and everything. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.